Brought to you by Allman Auctions, world's leader in antique tractor auctions.
It really gives you a good feeling to take some of these old tractors and implements and restore them.
Meet Jay Dudkowitz of Landenberg, Pennsylvania. Jay's been a Massey Harris man for as long as he can remember.
Well, my father had worked for a Massey Harris dealership, which was later then a Massey Ferguson dealership. So naturally, we used all Massey Harris tractors.
And if they're good enough to farm with, well, what's the harm in collecting a few?
And basically now, my father and myself, we have approximately 40-some tractors in our collection.
With 40 or more tractors to choose from, is it hard for Jay to pick a favorite? Well, maybe not as hard as you would think.
This is a Massey Harris 1955 Model 55 LP gas tractor.
7,000 pounds, 66 horsepower, the mighty Model 55 was in the final year of its 10-year run when this particular tractor, Jay's pride and joy, rolled off the assembly line in 1955.
They made a few changes in this last year. They went to a 12-volt system instead of a 6-volt system. Made it a little easier start.
Although Jay's 5555 didn't come with power steering, it was equipped with optional hydraulics.
This is your control for the optional remote hydraulics on the rear there.
This 55 has the optional hand clutch on it too,
which can make it a little difficult to load up sometimes or unload. That disengages it and you push forward to engage it. Back when this tractor was new, Massey Harris featured the velvet ride seat, which had a shock absorber under the seat and the rear spring here. And it was fairly smooth. It was real comfortable in its day.
But even with the velvet ride seat, even with the optional hydraulics and the optional hand clutch, and even the optional lights, which we haven't even talked about yet, even with all these special features, what really makes this Massey Model 55 stand out is the fuel it uses to feed its Continental J382 power plant.
This tractor is really interesting. You just don't see many LP tractors in this area. Everybody always asks what the tank is for. This is your LP tank right here. This is the gauge. To read it, you open the valve here a little bit and you see the gas escape, liquid. You actually move it until you see the change from liquid to gas. And then you just read the chart here for percentage of fill. It's really unusual. The smell of this propane on a warm day really draws the flies in around there. These tractors were mostly in the south and out in the west, where LP was essentially a byproduct off the oil wells and was very cheap to buy. But here in the east, they're very unusual. That's what kind of makes it one of my favorites. And when people are looking at it, no matter what angle they're looking at it, there always seems to be a good reflection in the curvature of the tank and everything. It catches their eye.
Talk about something catching your eye. Take a look at the Massey 55 outstretching its legs in a nearby field of roses. Natural beauty, man-made beauty. It just doesn't get a whole lot better than this.